better angle this time. I'm in Waterbury on Wolcott Street, towards downtown-ish. Roads are... This is supposed to be 4 lanes, 2 in each direction, and it's barely a lane in each. There's, on my way here, I saw some pretty interesting things. People joining together with their shovels to clean the road that they lived on. They were going up the hill, and there was about 5 different people, all with shovels, going up their hill, cleaning the hillside off. There was another side street that one of the homeowners there was cleaning the road with his snowblower, just to be able to allow his neighbors to get in and out. If you are out, make sure you drive carefully, because there are some people who have parked their cars back on the road, probably because they don't have any place else to put them. And that sometimes blocks the road down to 1 car at a time passing. There are lots of blind entrances to the road, so you want to make sure you're watching for anybody who might be pulling out. They probably won't be able to see you, so you better watch for them. 84 was absolutely dry. It was so well done. The exit for the mall exit was closed because they had used a bucket loader to clean off 84 and pushed it all into that entrance ramp area, closed it down, and they had dump trucks and bucket loaders, and they were pulling the snow off. So that may be cleaned up and passable in a couple of hours, but right now it's not passable. Actually shut down with cones and emergency vehicle, making sure that nobody can go. Here's another example of what you have to watch out for. This lady tried to pull out of this road. This is actually one of the roads that was being cleaned up by the shovels. Let's see. Some of her neighbors are helping her pull out. That's what it's all about, guys. Help out your neighbors.